In this presentation, we're going to go over the solution to the entering a formula using data and multiple worksheets exercise. So we're going to answer with formulas the first 3 questions here without using named cells. So the first question is, how much was spent on clothes and fun stuff in January? I want my answer to go in cell B3, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to type an equal sign to begin my formula. Now I can click back to sheet 1. And for this next part, I'm going to make sure to stay on sheet 1. And I'm going to click cell B7, which is closed for January. I'm going to type plus, then I'm going to click B8, which is the fun stuff. You'll see up here is my formula in the formula bar, and you'll notice that it's referencing that we're on sheet 1. I'm going to press enter. Now it puts me back on sheet 2, and here is my answer, which is $705. Here in the formula bar, you'll notice my formula, and you can see that here also it's referencing sheet 1. The next question is, how much was spent on groceries in January and March? I'm going to click in the answer cell here. I'm going to type an equal sign and click back to sheet 1 where my data is. I'm going to click cell B4. I'm going to type plus, and then I need cell D4, which is March groceries. I'm going to click that. You'll see again my formula here in the formula bar. I'm going to press enter, and it's going to bring me back to sheet 2 with my answer here, $619, referencing my formula. And the next question is, what percent of quarterly income did electric account for from January to March? I'm going to click here in cell B5, my answer, type the equal sign, click back to sheet 1, click cell E5, which is my total electric, and I'm going to now type a slash to divide, and now I'm going to click quarterly income, which is in B1. You'll see my formula here in my formula bar, press enter, and here is my answer, 5%. Now I'm going to answer the next group of questions, and for these I am going to use named cells. So I can click here, and we want to know how much was spent on clothes and fun stuff in January. I'm going to type equals January clothes plus January fun stuff, underscore. My formula is there. I'm going to press enter, and there's my answer, $705, which does match my original answer. So this is referencing sheet 1 without having to type sheet 1, and that is because in sheet 1, you'll see here that we've named these cells previously. I'm going to type my formula for how much was spent on groceries in January and March. I'm going to be type an equal sign, January groceries plus March groceries. Enter, $619. And now we're going to finally answer this question using our named cells. We're going to type equal sign, total electric, slash to divide by quarterly income, which was all one word. Enter, and there's 5%. So here we have 2 different ways to use formulas in workbooks that span multiple worksheets. One way where we have to type and click back to the sheet we are referencing the data from, and then the other way using named cells, where we've named cells in a different worksheet in the workbook. Coming up next, you'll go over how to use the if function in Excel 2016.